This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 55 of Building Your Own Ford GT. In this issue, we're going to be doing some more work with the radiator that we started on last time. But first of all, we're going to look at the Ford Thunderbird. Not Thunderbolt, Thunderbird. I quite like it. It's got like a classic styling to it. I mean, obviously it's not classic, but at the time it was just was. But now, I'm not sure about the more modern version of it. I think I prefer the classical one, although I'm sure this one runs better. Yeah, no, that's just a car, and pretty generic. Nothing special about that one. Yes, so the radiator. This is what we're doing: fitting the inside of the radiator, putting the two together to the bit from last time, and then fitting that to the chassis, and fitting the hoses to that. And that's that. So let's get to it. So the parts from last time, obviously we have the outside of the radiator. We got this time the inside of the radiator, which will only go one way around because there's a little pin that comes out of there that goes into there like so. We've got two screws to put through there. We've got a load of FP01 screws which we shall be using. We'll put those through there. That one in, then get that one in, make sure it's all lined up as it should be. Then we can tighten them both up. Nice and easy with that. Then we have this cover piece, which again has a little locating pin, so you've got to get it the one way round. That just fits over there and pushes into place. No screws required for that. We do need two more screws though, so let me keep those off to one side. Because we're going to be fitting that to this that we were doing a little while ago as well, we need to make sure the hoses are out of the way because they're going to get plugged in. That goes in the two holes in there. It's got a slight angling to it, but that's the way it goes. And the two screws for that are in the bottom there. So I need to tip it over onto its side so I can get to those. And they are just in there. Well, one of them is. Let's light on so I can see what I'm doing there. See exactly where the holes are. Oh, and the screw's not working either. Get the screw the right way round. I should take my time doing this because the next issue is very, very quick, short build. And the one after that is not much longer. So, yeah, let's get these in there. One in a little bit. Then the other one in on the other side. That in. Wasn't in. Now it is. In with that. There we go. I will get those tightened up once we've finished here. But before we finish here, we've got to attach these two hoses. We've got a long one and a short one. The long one goes in the top there. You can see it now. Let me twist this around a bit more like that. There we go. So yes, this bit that we've just fitted has got two holes in there. One at the top for the longer hose. Just plugs in. Can't do it with my fingers. There's too much stuff in the way. There we go. Grab that there. Twist it around and get that plugged in up top. A bit like that, isn't it? And the one at the bottom goes in the bottom. I might be able to get that one done. I might not. I might need to readjust my positioning. Let's try that again. There we go. Now I can get round to it. Trouble is the tube has got a tendency to want to straighten up. So I need to get that twisted round while holding that tight enough. Get the angle right to get that in there. There we go. That's that. Let's get the top one in while I'm here as well, because I'll only have to come back and do it afterwards. Try that there. Probably is that top bit is just where I need my hand to be, and it's not letting me get it in the right place. There we go. That's that. Right. After a couple of bits of tightening up of the screws underneath, that will be this issue done, and another chunk of the car is getting completed. I like it. It's really starting to come together. It's starting to look a bit like a car now. Obviously, the back wheel is here. It's quite a short wheelbase, but it's going to be very good fun comparing these kits when they're more completed. And we've got some body panels on. So, yeah. Right, let's get this out of the way, do the next issue very, very quickly, and then we'll see what happens after that. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.